Our favorite time working with clients is when we've earned their trust. When they see what our philosophy is and see our meticulous attention to detail to build out the system that's going to make their home better and make their lives more comfortable. And that's what this project was. We earned the customer's trust, and he really allowed me to try different lighting techniques, up lighting, down lighting, second story lighting, and even some practical lighting that just made everything work cohesively together. And the other thing is just the controls of the system, and having really controls at your fingertips so that a client can turn the lights off whenever they need to. It's one thing that I'll show you in the back. Our client has a dog, and a lot of times it's a big black dog that'll go out at night, and he couldn't see it in this one corner. So uplighting the large tree in back, which set the backdrop for the entire house, but then two small downlights just coming into a natural area. Really, you wouldn't think of it from a lighting design standpoint, but from a practical standpoint, when the dog goes out at night to see what the dog's up to, is just the little things that make the lighting systems that Dayloom create special. And so we try and incorporate what's going to be practical lighting, what's going to be beneficial lighting, and what's just artistic, beautiful lighting, and combining all of that together to really provide a cohesive, beautiful scene in landscape lighting.